Are you constantly missing iPhone calendar appointments like meetings, birthdays, or anniversaries? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you fix those missing calendar appointment issues on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Sync all events for your iCloud account. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on Apps. After that, tap on Search. Type Calendar in the search bar. Find the Calendar app and open it. Scroll down, tap on Sync. Select All Events. Solution 2. Offload the Calendar app. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down. Next, tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find your Calendar app in the list. Tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again to confirm. After these steps, you should hopefully never miss another appointment on your iPhone calendar. If you still have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.